Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super handy. How to create a Zelle account. If you're tired of waiting days for money transfers or dealing with complicated apps, Zelle is your new best friend. It's a fast, secure way to send and receive money directly from your bank account, all with just a few taps. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or sending cash to family, this guide will get you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your bank supports Zelle. Most major banks like Bank of America, Chase, or Wells Fargo are already on board, but it's smart to check your bank's app or website. If they do, you can usually get started right there. If not, don't worry. You can download the standalone Zelle app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're ready, open the app or your bank's mobile app and look for the Zelle option. You'll need to sign up using your email address or phone number, the one you'll use for transactions. Zelle will send a verification code to that email or phone, so keep an eye out for it. Enter the code to verify your identity, and boom, you're one step closer. Next, link your bank account. This is straightforward. Just select your bank from the list and log in with your credentials. Zelle might ask for a small verification deposit to confirm everything's legit, which usually happens within a day or two. Once that's done, you can set up a profile with your name and maybe even a profile picture to make things more personal. Now for the fun part. Start using Zelle. You can send money by entering the recipient's email or phone number, add a memo if you want, and confirm the amount. Remember, transactions are typically instant, so double-check everything before you hit send. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication for security. Zelle is safe, but it's up to you to protect your info. There you have it. That's how you create a Zelle account. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.